So, I don't know, I need a little rest after all that. Just breathe in with me, my friends, because this is where we take it out of the intellect and we go beyond the world of words into our most authentic self. And you know what? That authentic self already knows right now what's most important to you. And it's ready to reveal it. It's probably been waiting to reveal it. And it will reveal it again and again and again on deeper and deeper levels. Every day of your life, it is possible for you to discover new values, new beautiful experiences that await you. And all that's required is for you to become aware, self-aware, and then support yourself. Support yourself on the journey, the adventure, the discovery of a lifetime. There are individuals that may move through their entire worldly experience without ever contemplating this most important question: what matters most? For what matters becomes matter. What matters to you becomes the stuff of your life. Now, with minds open and receptive, we rest for a few moments in the silence and invite our authentic nature, Christ in you, the hope of glory, to speak. Above all, I want to live in total authenticity with the priorities of my heart. And I'm willing to do the work, to look at those pockets of my own consciousness where perhaps I am still out of alignment, yet knowing that I have everything that I need to find the balance, to find the strength, to find the same courage that the Fillmores found so many years ago, and build my own way of living. Dear God, I am grateful, and I give thanks in the name, in the nature, and through the power of all that is sacred and holy and beautiful. And that is everything. Amen.